Welcome to AI Finder Africa. And right in this video, I want to show you what you can do with Grok Imagine. Now, this is it. A lot of people do not know that right now, there's a competition between Grok, Meta AI, and ChatGPT, and even Gemini. And now, as a content creator, as a business owner, sometimes you want to create videos for your YouTube channel. Sometimes you want to post stuff online. You want to post on Instagram. You want to even use creatives to run ads. And you need some videos or pictures. Now, with Grok Imagine, you can get this done. Now, Grok Imagine is an upgraded version of Grok. I'm sure that some of you have heard about Grok before, but Grok Imagine is an upgraded version of Grok, and this can give you a lot. It comes with a lot of features and benefits. Now, how do you access this? The first thing you are going to do is to simply visit, just do it this way. Go online, go to your Chrome browser, like the one I'm doing on my mobile right now. You do a Google search of Grok AI, you're going to find grok.com. Just click on grok.com, you see Grok Imagine. So let's do that one step at a time. So grok.com. So right here, we have grok.com. So the next thing you will see here is the Imagine feature. Now, if you have not subscribed to this channel right now, subscribe to this channel and also like this video and put on the bell notification so you can get access to more valuable videos about AI. You know, at AI Finder Africa, this is what we do. We sleep, we drink AI, we eat AI. All right. So right here, what we'll do next is you can find the Imagine tool right here. Click on Imagine. And now you can imagine the normal way you want to imagine, right? As a human being, you can imagine. So how do you get the prompt? The first thing I would like to tell you is this. For every AI tool, you need to know what exactly you want to achieve. So say for example now, I want an image of two young boys on a bike, all right? On a bike in a desert. So I'm trying to imagine that kind of image. So to get that done, I always tell people whenever you have access like this, access your photos, click on continue. It shows that you're giving access to Grok, right? So I'm going to just go back, right? So I want to imagine now, imagine. So what I will simply do is use ChatGPT. How do I mean? Now just go ahead to your ChatGPT and do something pretty simple. What's that? You want to use ChatGPT for your prompts. Just say, for example, I want to use, all right, just a second. I want to use Grok Imagine. I want to use Grok Imagine to generate an image of two boys on a bike, with helmets, on their heads, all right, helmets on their heads in a desert, all right. Give me the prompts, all right, and then act like a professional prompt engineer of over 10 years. So the moment you click on this, you will get your answer. All right. So this is a very good prompt right here that we're talking about. So we're going to pick this up right here. We'll copy it, and now we'll go back to Grok Imagine. So we're back to Grok Imagine right now, and so we type the image, and then we ask Grok to imagine it. So I've done that now, and all I have to do now is to simply click on the enter button. I'm trying to see how to click on that. Just give me a second. So maybe I'll take my phone back to this version. All right. So let me paste this and use this Grok Imagine button. At the moment I do that, a lot of images will be generated. So it's now left to me to pick the best of them all. I can now pick the best of them all. So we have two boys, amazing boys, right? Now we have the video version, and then we have the images, right? This is more like a video, all right? If I click on this right now, it's going to come out more like a video. Just a second. So let me rotate my screen back. just so we can see. So this is a video. I can make video with this. All right. I can download this. There are a lot of pictures here. I can turn it into a video. So I can say something like fun. So if I say something like fun, it is going to generate a kind of fun version of this picture for me as a video. I'm rotating my screen right now just so you guys can see what the desktop version looks like. But right now, we are already at 29%. Okay, I think it's moving faster. You will see what this can do. So any image can be converted into a video. In fact, if you want to spice this up, you can simply go back to ChatGPT and say that, so I want this guys, I want one of them, all right, to jump down from the bike. All right, give me the prompt for that, and this guy will give you the prompt. So I just downloaded the image now. Let's see what it looks like. Download completed. So clicking on it, I want to see what it looks like. Just a second. So I've done that. So let me see if it downloaded on my phone as of the time of this tutorial. So it's not on the phone. I may have to go back to the gallery to check if there's anything like that. All right, so let's see. So I think we do not have the video. What we have here is still the image. So let me go back. Let me simply go back. And then let me check out. Customize the video. Okay, make them speed so fast. Let's see what this is going to give us. Make them speed so fast. All right. So that's going to come up in a second. So options, fun. So yes, so download started. So guys, this is an amazing tool that you should explore. So I just wanted to show you how it works. So please go ahead and start using this tool. Start using this tool for your videos, for your pictures. Now you can turn pictures to images. I said pictures to images. Like now you can turn images to videos using this tool. So what are you waiting for? Go get to work and start exploring it. At AI Finder Africa, we help you find, learn, and use AI. You don't want to miss out. Subscribe to our channel, and then also subscribe to our videos, and then you can get access to a lot of quality information when it comes to AI. Have a nice time.